Meaning of emaciation.
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 Emaciation. Emaciation refers to the condition of being abnormally thin or weak due to a lack of proper nutrition or illness. This condition is characterized by extreme weight loss, loss of muscle mass, and a weakened physical state. Emaciation can lead to a variety of negative health consequences, including dehydration, malnutrition, and even organ failure in severe cases. People with emaciation may appear frail and have a reduced ability to carry out physical activities. Treatment for emaciation typically involves increasing caloric intake and addressing any underlying medical conditions that may be causing the condition.